think today's the day. So after a heap of waiting around, we finally got parts. Just went with the Goss fuel pump parts for now. They're alright, not the best, but they will do the job for now. In-tank fuel pump, all the little bits and bobs, and external fuel pump. Instructions, I'm sure we're not going to look at them. Should have come with all the little connections. It did, they're right here, right in front of me. So, let's pull the old one out and get these in the car. So this is what we're dealing with under here. Not a great deal of space. It actually comes out fairly easily. A couple of connectors, a few bolts, and then the whole assembly pulls straight out. And then this monstrosity is the external fuel pump. As you can see, there's a regulator on there. Sorry, it's not very clear, but it is hard to film upside down under your car. A few cobwebs. It's been a while since I've been under here. Alright, let's get it done, see how we go. So that's the internal tank, internal pump. Yeah, pulled it out. They come with a replacement one of these, which is good. Wiring all looks good, so I'm not actually sure what went on with this. It's like there's been glue in there or something. And the glue's sort of lifted because of the fuel. I'm not really sure what's going on there. Nonetheless, let's get the new one on. I did really want to film that process, but being under the car, trying to film and pull things apart one-handed, just was not going to happen. But nevertheless, press on. The time has come. I'm either going to prance around gleefully or slip into a deep depression if it doesn't start. Fingers crossed. Battery's on. Maybe it's charged. Well, I heard the pump's prime, so that's a good start. Holy shit! Yes! It's alive! It's running a little rough, but it hasn't run in about 6 months.